It took me 30 days to reach 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. So I got a message from one of my supporters, my subscribers, that how was it possible? Because you gaining one subscribers in just a month is not very easy. So guys, I'm going to reveal every secret behind this, which is very simple, guys. So guys, for the first secret, what you have to know is that YouTube is a broader place. It's a broad channel which we have numerous of YouTubers. We have millions of YouTubers there. So what you have to do is go there, go to your search bar, search what people have been looking for most. You can see right now we have trending news, trending updates, and the news too. We have numerous of news. We have business news, political news, technology news. So what you have to do is to find your niche. Your niche, what you're going to base on. Are you going to base on comedy, education, life hacks, technology things, or what are you going to do? So after getting your niche, the second thing you have to know is that you have to get the specific place you're going to talk about. So if you have to talk about education, which part of education are you going to talk about? Are you going to talk about the comedy education? So are you going to talk about biographies of people, biographies of animals, or what are you going to talk about? Which is very simple. So guys, what you to bear in mind that after getting all this in your mind, so the next thing is just move straight to YouTube, then create your account. Get a very unique name, a very catchy name for your YouTube channel. So after creating it, it's very simple. And the third thing which is going to blow your mind most is the optimizing your video. First of all, you've already searched. First of all, you have already find what people need most on YouTube before you have created your video, and from that you're able to get the specific niche people have searched for most. So now what you have to do is every video you're going to make, you have to optimize it. So you have to get best keywords for your title, best keywords you're going to fix in your description, which is going to make your video go viral. So guys, making YouTube video is very simple, and before you start making your YouTube video, you can't just come and sit on the camera just like this and be talking. You have to get a pen and a book and script the process from the intro to the conclusion. So guys, you have to bullet all the important points that you're going to say in the video so that you're not going to forget anything. So after doing the video, you want to see you got some keywords in the video which most people are searching for. So that's the keyword you want to use in your title, guys. So first of all, before you're going to do the video, you just move straight to your YouTube, search for that keywords, search on how many times people have been searching for it. So guys, before you can do this, you have two tools that most people use for this, which is the vidIQ and the TubeBuddy. But mostly I prescribe the vidIQ because for the vidIQ you can get three. You can you just need $1 for 30 days trials. So just get your $1, just try it for 30 days and see the improvement. So that's the 30 days, which is going to be the 1 month, which has made me reach my 1K subscribers. So after just subscribing to the vidIQ, what you have to do is just go to their keyword, search for it. You can see the number of CEO people have been getting from it. So if the keywords have been lower competition and high search volume, that's the best keyword for you you're going to use. Some people see it with that before you can be monetized on YouTube is very difficult. Guys, it's not difficult because getting 1,000 subscribers on YouTube is very simple, and also getting 4,000 watch hours on YouTube is very simple. What you have to know is that constant posting on YouTube is the best key to grow fast. What I'll tell you is to be posting a video in every 3 days, guys. Not posting a week, posting a video every 3 days. That's the best way to go on YouTube. Most people don't know it, but I'm telling you the secret. That's the best way to go on YouTube. So every 3 days, every 3 to 4 days, you have to post a video. Try as much as possible to post. If you can't post at all, you have to post at least one video per week. So let's say if you have to post one video per week and 4 videos give you 1,000 subscribers, depending on how your video is going to perform well and how you're going to optimize your video. So it depends on you. So that's what I'll tell you is try and never give up. YouTube is very simple. It's for everybody. You have numerous of them. You can go through, you can see you have most people on YouTube that have been verified, but still there are still new ones coming that still verify them. So you can be one of them. So guys, I will tell you to subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Like this video. If you have any question, just drop it at the comment section of this video. Thank you.